Hello parents, how are you? I hope you are well. Today I see you how to record video with screen off. Nobody and do not understand you record video. So you go to Play Store and download app black screen video screen off. Open, enable permission and see lock icon. Now we go to camera and record video. Then click lock icon. This is lock icon. Friends, you see screen is off and automatic video recording. Yes, video recording is continue. After video record, you find it gallery. You also visit YouTube and singing song without swipe. You enjoy it screen off. Yeah, it's good app, only 3 MB. I hope you like it. Hello friends, if you like my video, please like my channel and subscribe it. Thank you. Goodbye.